Yeah, this is the third problem C of AtCoder chokudai. So in chokudai, you have to find how many ways are there to choose the underline eight of these characters, so that the characters read chokudai from left to right. Okay, and you have to print the modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, and the constraint is the length of s is from 8 to 10 to the power 5. Okay, so this is the constraint. So yeah, and the length of chokudai is 4 plus 4 8. Okay, so s is always greater than or equal to 8. Okay, so this is the problem. Now let's check out some examples. So chokudi, in this case the answer is 3. Okay, so you can check out the sample. This one is the sample, and the sample output too you can check. For this case chokudai is not there, so sample output is 0. For this case the sample output is 45. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So basically you have to make a index map. Okay, first you have to make an index map. So index map you can make using hash map, like hash text is equal to, this way you do, and then hash t, you can make text is equal to chokudai. Okay, chokudai is a 8-digit length 8 character, length 8 string. Now what we will do, for char in text, for each character in text, for C in text. Okay, char is the, now I is equals to, what we will do, I will be we can keep I as 7. Okay, from 0 to 7 we can keep it. So now we will do for C in text, so hash text C is equal to I. Okay, and I minus equal to 1. This is what we will do, and this will produce a hashed index of chokudai. Okay, the index of C will be 7, H will be okay, that way you can start from 0. I think that will be better. I plus equal to 1. Yeah, this is better. From 0 to 7. The index of C is 0, H is 1, and I is 7. Okay, this way we will get. Good. Hope you have understood it. Now what is the input? The S is the input. Okay, so before the input we need to declare we will need to declare dp. Okay, so dp is equals to 0 for I in range 8. Okay, so length 8 dp we will make, and all the values in the dp will be 0. Okay, initially. So this refers to chokudai only. So at index 0 value will be 0, and 1 value will be 0, and at index 7 will be 0. So it will keep a count. This dp will keep a count of chokudai. Okay, how many times chokudai can be formed. Okay, so now what we will do, so now we will take input string s. Okay, s is equal to input. Now we will do input s. Now once we have taken input s, lower letter English characters. So what we'll do, we will start iterating from the right side. Okay, for I in range len s minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so this is the way of writing in Python. So from len minus 1 index to 0th index will go. Okay, that's why we have written minus 1. So to 0th index will go, and each step we are decrementing by minus 1. Okay, so this way we are moving from right to left. Okay, now we will check if hash if si in hash text dot keys. Okay, if I is there, first we'll check if I is there, then what we will do. If I is if si is in the hash text keys. Okay, no need to do this way. You can also do like si in text. Okay, yeah, this way also will. So if si in text, if si is in the text value, so what we will do, we will calculate dp of hash so now there are two cases. Okay, so if it is the last character in the hash in the dp, or it is not the last character. So there are two scenarios. So if it is the last character, so we'll check hash text so hash text si if this equals to 7. Okay, if this is equals to 7, that means it is the last index in dp. Okay, so basically this hash text and dp is the representation of chokudai. Okay, so each character of hash text c, this value of hash text for each character c represents the index in dp. Okay, this is the thing we are doing. This is why we have used hash text. Okay, hash text si is equal to 7. That means it's the last character. Then we will simply do hash text si is equal to hash text si plus 1. Okay, simply we'll increment it by 1. Else what we will do, hash text si equal to hash text si, okay, si plus hash text si. Here we will also do mod operation. Okay, mod we will define mod as 10,9 plus 7. Okay. You have to put it in bracket, otherwise this will take mod of only 1. Okay, so this is what we will do. S of I, this index and this index plus 1. Okay, the previous index plus the next index. Okay, this is what it will do. The one index right to it. Okay, and the current index. Okay, this many times mod so this will make form the si. Okay, and yeah, hash text summing up the DP value, not the hash text value. Hash text SI plus this one. From SI we will get the character, and then we will increment one right to it, and we'll get the DP value of it. Okay? So this will provide us the solution. Okay, moving from right to left, this way we will generate the DP, and we simply will print DP 0. DP 0 will be the solution. So DP 0 will be how many times we can reach from I to C. Okay, from right, if we are traveling from I to C, how many times we can form this character chokudai. Okay, how many different ways are there? So that will be DP of 0. Okay, this one we can do the reverse wise also. Okay, from this left to right also we can do. Okay, so the algorithm will change a bit, and from left to right also we can solve it. So hope you have understood it. If you haven't, then you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is in the description, so you can join my virtual sessions for competitive coding. Coaching, I provide coaching for one-to-one coaching. I provide for competitive programming. You can join that, and you will definitely learn a lot from that. And one more thing, you can check out my interview video series also. Okay? So from the interview video series, you will definitely learn a lot, and definitely check out that video. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.